These AI car modification videos are going viral right now. Some pages are getting millions of views by posting simple car transformation videos, and the crazy part is they are not using a camera, not using a garage, and not modifying any real car. Everything is made with AI. This type of content can be used for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even to grow a car niche page that can later make money through views, sponsorships, affiliate links, or selling custom AI car videos. So in this video, I'll show you how to create this type of AI car modification video step by step. First, open ChatGPT. Now type this prompt. Give me a list of famous car names from well-known automotive brands worldwide. ChatGPT will give you a list of popular cars like Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, BMW, Mercedes, Nissan, GTR, Toyota Supra, Ford Mustang, and more. Choose one car that looks powerful, expensive, or visually interesting because those cars usually perform better in short videos. Once you choose your car, keep the name ready. Now go to the description of this video and copy the master prompt I have provided. Make sure you copy the full prompt properly. After that, open Google Flow. Select the video option. Choose Veo Flash as the video model. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Now paste the master prompt inside the prompt box. Inside the prompt, you will see a place where you need to add the vehicle name. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the car name you selected, and paste it into that vehicle section. One important tip, before the car name, add a color. For example, matte black Lamborghini Aventador, or chrome red Nissan GTR, or midnight purple Toyota Supra. Adding the color makes the video look more cinematic and attractive. Now click Generate. In a few moments, your AI car modification video will be ready. You can now download it and post it on Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook Reels. If you want to turn this into a content page, create multiple videos with different cars, colors, and modification styles. Post consistently. And once your page starts getting views, you can monetize it through platform payouts, sponsorships, affiliate products, or custom AI video services. That's it. This is how you can create viral AI car modification videos without a camera, without a garage, and without any editing skills. If this helped, subscribe for more simple AI tutorials like this.